ज्ञानमयी ज्योतिर्मयी मरियं तु दयामयी मरियं तु दयामयी मरियं तु दयामयी.
Hi, I'm Swati Andharia. Hello children, how are you? I hope you are fine. Okay LKG children. Now today we will start with math subject, that is big and small. Have you seen big things? Yes, can you tell me what is big? Come on Krisha. Yes, Adit, tell me what is big? Okay children, now I will show you one thing. What is this? It is a bottle. Yes, very good. What do you do with this bottle? We drink water. What do we drink? We drink water. Okay children, now this is another bottle. Now can you compare the two bottles, which is big and which is small? Of course, which bottle is big? This bottle is big. Very good. And this bottle is small. So we differentiate, we compare the two bottles and we say this bottle is big and this bottle is small. Okay children. Now another thing I am having with me. I think you all will like this. What is this? Come on, tell me. Yes, it is a chocolate. And again, what is this in my hand? What is this? Come on, tell me. Yes, of course, it is a chocolate too. Now, if I tell you to choose, which one will you choose? Correct. You will choose the big chocolate. And will you choose this chocolate? No. Why? Because it is small. Yes. Which chocolate will you use? Will you choose this chocolate? Why? Because it is big. And this chocolate, will you choose this? No, because it is small. So, how we compare? This is big and this is small. Okay children? Now, on the board, I am having some objects over here. Can you see? Now, every day you must be playing with this. In the morning, in the evening, you play with this. You throw with this. What is it? Can you tell me? What is it? It is a ball. What is it? It is a ball. Now, can you tell me what is the size of the ball? Is it big? It is big or it is small? What is it? It is big in size. So, we will say ball is big. Again children, repeat after me. The ball is big and this ball. Many of you play this ball in the house also. Yes or no? Yes, because it is very soft. So, what do we say for this ball? Can we say it is a big ball? No, we will say it is a small ball. What do we say? It is a small ball. Okay? Now, can you see? What is this? Yes, it is an elephant. Correct. It is an elephant. Where do we see elephant? Yes, in the zoo, in the jungle. Yes, can we say elephant is a small animal? No, it is a big animal. What do we say? Elephant is big. What do we say? Again, elephant is big. So, we call it elephant is big. Okay, now, have you seen this? What is this? It is an insect and we call it ant. Have you seen in your house? Sometimes many of the ants are walking around the wall. Can you see? Have you seen that? It is an ant. What is it? It is an ant. So, can we call the ant is big? No, it is very tiny. It is very small. And if you see, you can see so small it is. So, we call it ant is small. All of you repeat after me. Ant is small. Elephant is big. Okay, children. Now, what is this? Yes, correct. It is a fruit. Okay, children. All of you tell what the fruit's name is. Yes, correct. It is a watermelon. Now, when do we eat watermelon? Yes, we eat in summer. When it is very hot, what do we mummy cuts and give you? She cuts watermelon for you. And you love that juicy watermelon to eat. Yes? And when we cut, which color do we get? Correct. It is red in color. Which color it is? Red in color. So, can you say watermelon is small or big? Come on, now you have to tell me. It is big or small? Very good, children. It is big in size. So, we will call watermelon is big. All of you? Watermelon is big. Now, this, what is this? It is very small, but it is juicy also. And sometimes it is sweet and sometimes it is sour. But what do we say this fruit? Which fruit is this? Correct. It is cherry. What do we say this fruit? It is a cherry. And can you tell me it is big in size? No, it is small in size. So, cherry is small. All of you, cherry is small. Once again, ball is big. This ball is small. Elephant is big. Ant is small. Watermelon is big. Cherry is small. Okay, children? Now, we are having the activity over here. So, we will just tick mark. So, all of you take your pencil and we will do the activity. Okay, children? Now, first thing, when we go to school, what do we wear? Yes, very good. We wear bag. What do we wear? We wear bag. So, this is a bag and this is a pouch where we keep our pencils, sharpener, eraser. Now, tell me. Which one is big and which one is small? All of you, tell me now. Yes, we have to tick the big objects. So first, in these two things, which one is big? Pouch is big? No. Then, yes, the bag is big. So we will tick the bag. Come on. Yes. All of you, have you done this? Yes, the bag is big and the pouch is small. Okay, children. Now, the next objects, we are having plants over here and this side we are having trees. Now, you have to tell me which one is big and which one is small. The plants are big or the trees are big? Come on, tell me. Correct. The trees are big. All of you, once again, the trees are big. So, we will put a tick mark over here. Yes, very good. Okay. Now, the next thing is car and scooter. Now, which one is big and which one is small? Do you like to go in car out? Yes. Or do you like to go in scooter? Of course, we like to go in car. So, which one is big and which one is small? Yes. Which one is big? Yes, of course, the car is big and the scooter is small. Okay, so which one we will take? Correct, we will take the car. Okay, yes children. So this way in your house also you have to compare the things which are big and small and you have to study well. Okay children, thank you.